Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Chloe from Bluey. So let's start drawing. First, draw an oval shape for the eye. And the smaller one inside, then color. Draw a line coming out from the left side of the eye, going slightly downward. And draw half an oval shape on top for the second eye. And the smaller one inside, and color. Draw a thick eyebrow over each eye. Draw a triangle at the end of the line to make the nose. Color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a curved line coming down from the nose. Ending with a small curve to make the smiley mouth. Draw a small curve coming down from the bottom of the mouth. Draw a half circle coming out from the top of the left eye, partially hidden behind the eyebrows, to make the top of the head. At the right end of the half circle, draw a big triangular shape for the ear. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw the left ear partially hidden behind the nose. Draw a line coming down from the right ear. Then draw a letter V facing sideways attached to it. And another similar one to make the arm. Finish the arm by drawing the hand. Draw a big rectangle from the bottom of the mouth intersecting the right arm to make the body. Draw a letter V facing sideways, opposite to the direction of the first arm, on the other side of the body to make the left arm. Draw two vertical lines coming down from the body to make the leg. And finish it with the paw, with two lines inside for the toes. Repeat the same steps to make the second leg. Draw the tail coming out from the right side of the body. Decorate the tail with a small line near the end. Decorate Chloe with some circles and half circles all over her body to make the Dalmatian spots. standing. Now you can draw Chloe, Bluey's best friend. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. Did you have fun drawing Chloe? I know we had! If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.